Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to show you how buying used components can really save you money on your custom built gaming PCs. Overall, I think this PC that I just built looks awesome and I'm super happy with how it turned out. At the center of this budget build is an Intel Core i7-2600 CPU and Nvidia GTX 960 graphics card. These components offer great 1080p performance and can be found for great prices on eBay or locally via Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Well, let me stop chatting so I can show you the build process. Enjoy the video, guys. Well, there it is. All in, I spent $175 for a used motherboard, CPU, RAM, graphics card, and power supply. For the components I couldn't find used, I had to purchase a 256GB solid state, a Hyper T2 CPU cooler, and an AeroCool case on Amazon. The total cost for this build was $285. Purchasing used hardware gives you a lot of freedom. Also keep in mind, if you want about 50% more performance in your games, just purchase the 970 instead of this GTX 960 for about $40 more. Overall, I've been super happy with the performance of this computer. It looks awesome and plays many modern titles at 1080p medium to high settings. I have all the parts I used and the money spent in the video description below, so if you guys have any questions, check that out. If any of you are looking to build something similar, I would recommend using this AeroCool case as well. It has good airflow, the RGB light is awesome, it's got a power supply shroud, and for $50 this case is just amazing. Well, I threw myself into some modern titles, so let's go ahead and see how this PC performs. Check out the benchmarks. Okay, so the first game that we're going to benchmark here is Apex Legends. It's going to be running on 1080p, medium high settings, and just check out the average frame rate as I play the game. Enjoy!
Trick or treat!
Okay, so the next game we're going to see is PUBG. 1080p resolution, mixed settings for best performance. Enjoy the gameplay. Okay, our next game here is CSGO, 1080p resolution, medium settings, and you can see we have the frame rate of 160 FPS. So super butter smooth for this awesome game. Okay, so here we got a little bit older game. This is Battlefield 3, 1080p settings, everything's maxed out, but just wanted to show how well this setup can play for just a little bit older of a game. Super butter smooth. This game's actually pretty fun, and yeah, enjoy the gameplay. Okay, as you can see from the benchmarks, this PC handles all these games really well. I'll keep the videos coming, and thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this PC or this video, make sure to post them below. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up on all my new upcoming projects. Have a good one. We'll see you later.